My name is Dr. Mitchell Weiser. I'm one of the joint replacement surgeons here at Montefiore. I wanted to be a doctor since I was a little boy. My father was also a doctor, so I was very interested in medicine from a young age. And then when I was a teenager, my mother needed a hip and knee replacement surgery because she had really debilitating arthritis. And then after she had joint replacement surgery, like totally changed her life. She had so much less pain, was able to do the things she wanted to do. And she was like a completely different person. So that's really what I want to do, you know, with my life, to be able to give that to other people. You know, the outcomes from the surgery are, you know, excellent for most patients, and it's really gratifying in the office when, you know, after the patient is recovered and they come to see me, it's just, there's always a huge smile on their face. They're just so happy that we were able to solve this problem for them, and it's just, it makes me feel just so wonderful.